First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Microsoft website. I'll leave the link in the video description. Scroll down to the section labeled Download Windows 11 Disk Images, ISO, for x64 devices. Select Windows 11 inches and click the Download button. Next, choose your product language. I'll go with English, and click Confirm. Now, simply click the 64-bit download button to save the ISO file for version 24H2 to your computer. If that option doesn't work for you, there's another method using the Media Creation tool. Just go back to the same website and look for the Create Windows 11 Installation Media section. Click the Download button to save that file to your computer. Once it's downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder, right-click on the file, and select Open. When the setup launches, accept the terms, and if you need to change the language, you can uncheck the default option and adjust the settings as needed. Click Next, then choose the ISO file option, and click Next again. Confirm where you want to save the file and hit Save. The Media Creation tool will then download the necessary files and create the ISO file for you. Once the process is complete, the tool will let you know where the ISO file is saved. Finally, click the Finish button and you're all set. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching, and I see you in next video.